What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Robert, aka Pretty Boy Rob, and for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy, we got a special treat for you. I am gonna be taking care of these all-white mesh Louis Vuitton runners that we grabbed from Many Worlds, Arizona. If you don't know what that is, that's actually our drop-off cleaning service that is located in Phoenix, Arizona. So if you're ever in my city, make sure you pull up, bring all your kicks, and get them surfaced by some true shoe care specialists. But like I said, these are our customer shoes, so we do wanna take care of them the best possible way. We're gonna be using our signature shoe cleaning kit paired with our sneaker laundry detergent. We also have our cleaning mat and our dry rack bowl combo that we are gonna be using. All the products that you see on the table are available at RESHOEVN8R.com. So after the video, make sure you head over there and cop some of those products. But with all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's hop straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right. Our cleaning station is all prepped to start today's cleaning. Like I said, these are our customer shoes, so we are gonna be taking care of both shoes. However, for the video before and after purposes, we're only gonna be taking care of one. So let me just go ahead and gently set this shoe aside since it is a customer. What we're gonna do is remove our shoelaces and insert our adjustable shoe tree. So let's get straight to that. All right, we do got our shoe tree in hand. Let's just go ahead and check these. This is a 37.5, which is equivalent to about a 7.5 in women's. So our shoe tree is gonna work perfect since it does adjust anywhere from a 6 men all the way up to a size 13. When inserting it, you're just gonna wanna insert it like so. Put the plastic piece in first. Once you got it in, you're just gonna press down like so. As you can see, we got that nice hard toe box so we can apply as much as pressure as we need to during this cleaning process, as well as gonna hold the overall form and integrity once we do place it in the washer with our laundry bag. But now we can go ahead and just get started. Now we just wanna grab our advanced cleaning solution. It's 100% all natural, made from coconut and jojoba oil. Just gonna wanna grab a couple squirts because it is highly concentrated. All right, now that our solution of water is all ready, what we need to do is grab our soft bristle brush and break down all this dirt and grime on these mesh uppers. So since this is my favorite brush, let's get straight to it. All right guys, I'm all done using our soft bristle brush and I used our microfiber towel just to pass through to see what we are working with. I do see some deeper stains in these mesh panels as well as trapped in the tongue. So what I'm gonna do right now is just use our medium bristle brush, try to tackle some of those deeper stains. From there, just move on to our midsole. Then lastly, we're gonna jump straight to our stiff bristle brush. So let's get it. All right, so before I proceed, if you do own this shoe at your house, one thing I just want to mention is using our medium bristle brush. It is kind of fraying this material. So when you are doing that, just brush in one direction to avoid any type of potential damage. But as far as the medium bristle brush, it's definitely working great on these mesh panels as well as our midsole. All right guys, I know in the beginning of the video, I labeled this shoe an all white mesh Louis Vuitton runner. That's actually because I don't know the name of the sneaker. I did my due diligence. I even reached out to Vic Almighty to see what the name of the shoe was, but unfortunately we could not find it. So we actually need your help. Why don't you guys let us know in the comments below the name of the sneaker. Wrong names only. Miguel, what you got for this?
Honestly, man, those are giving me like some Adidas tubular vibes.
So the LV tubulars? C-Can, what you got for us?
Yeah, I'm gonna call them the LV Train Daddies.
LV Train Daddies. Well, since these are actually a women's shoe, we're gonna call these the LV Yamamas. But right now it's time for us to jump straight to this outsole using our stiff bristle brush. So let's go. All right guys, I'm all done using that stiff bristle brush on these midsoles and outsoles. It definitely did its job like always. We're pretty much wrapped up with this cleaning process. The last thing I do is take care of these laces. So they are extra grimy, so I'm just gonna put them in the bowl of water, let them soak a little bit. And while I do that, I'm just gonna talk a little bit about this sneaker. So personally, I'm not really rocking with it. I mean, this shoe, as well as any designer sneaker, fortunately, it's just not in the budget. You know, the way my bank account's set up, they're just not for me. However, Louis Vuitton and Air Force One are dropping a bunch of different colorways in 2022, which I'm really excited about. Hopefully they're more in the Air Force One price range and not the LV. then maybe I could cop some. But now let's go ahead and take these laces directly out of our bowl that have been soaking. What you're gonna wanna do is just scrub them in your hands back and forth to help remove some of that dirt and grime that has been trapped in there. Gonna go ahead and just give them a second dunk and back to scrubbing. Another pro tip you can do is grab your soft bristle brush and you can actually scrub some of those deeper stains that are on the laces. Like I said, these were pretty grimy, so I'm definitely gonna hit it with the soft bristle brush. Perfect, our soft bristle brush definitely got that deeper clean what we needed for these laces. Now we just gotta grab our shoelaces, sneaker laundry bag, as well as our sneaker laundry detergent, which is right here. Place it in the pouch, button that up, make sure this is nice and tight. All right, our Louis Vuitton sneakers are safely secured in the bag. Now we just gotta go ahead and put this in the washer, wash with cold water, and I'll see you guys before you know it. And I'm back like I never left. We did go and let this shoe dry in that good old Arizona sunshine for a couple hours, and I'm very happy with these results. Our sneaker laundry system and detergent definitely did its thing. I mean, just look at these nylon mesh uppers. All those trapped in stains got flushed out. But before I recap the video and let you guys know exactly what I did, it's time to just get them laced up. So let's get it. There it is, that's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these all white mesh Louis Vuitton trainers. Before I head on out of here, let me go ahead and just recap exactly what I did to get these type of results. First things first, we inserted our adjustable shoe tree and removed those laces. Then we started the pre-treatment using all three of our brushes. Soft bristle brush on those uppers, broke down all that dirt and grime on the mesh and nylon. Then medium bristle brush for some of those deeper stains as well as our midsole. Lastly, stiff bristle brush to tackle those outsoles. Then we went ahead and put it in the laundry system with our sneaker laundry detergent inside our laundry bag, wash with cold water to achieve these type of results. Like I said at the beginning of the video, all these products are available at RESHOEVN8R.com. Make sure you go and check that description, see if there's a promo code to save you some dollars. There it is, that's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these white Louis Vuitton trainers. Done.